Coming to you live here today, folks, from Sal's Kitchen.
Today's episode in Herbs and Spices.
We're going to be making spicy pesto chicken pasta. It's an easy dish that you can do in about 40 minutes or less. It adds a lot of spices, lots of basil, cilantro, pesto. There's many things from all over the world, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Don't you think, Steve?
I think so.
Hope you guys enjoy the show.
Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is wash our hands. It's gross if you don't.
Best thing to do will first lay in the kitchen.
Yep.
Soap. Evenly coat all the hand, the back and the front.
In between your fingers. And then use a paper towel instead of a real towel.
And now, folks, we are ready to begin our delicious dish. As I add some olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan, and then I turn the front burner to about medium heat. Then I add some of my pre-cut chicken on my poultry safe cutting board. Add this into the pot. Now we're using a bigger pot because later on in the recipe we're gonna have to add all the pasta onto the chicken, into the juices, so it all soups up together. We have room for both things. Now, as I wait for the chicken to heat up in there, I add some of the sriracha sauce into the mixture and stir that around a little bit, waiting for the chicken, the oil, and everything to heat up all in one. Now, as I open up this box of our pasta from our very own local store, Tops Market, and as you can see, the water is already boiling. I added a little salt from it. I add the pasta into the water, a little stir to stir it around, reduce that to about 8 or 7, start the timer for about 8 minutes, and stir occasionally throughout the process so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and wait for it to become al dente. Now, as the timer goes off for the pasta, we bring it over to our strainer. As you can see, perfect. Get as much of the water out as possible. Let that sit there for a little bit. As all the juices mostly run clear on our chicken, as you can see, there's now time to add the pasta that is freshly strained. Oops. Pasta into the chicken that is on low. As we add that in, stir that around. Take it off the burner because it's starting to get a little hot.
Alright, so now we're gonna add the pesto, parmesan, and cilantro.
Yep.
All in a pot of noodles.
Now, cilantro has been used in over 5,000 years. Did you know that, Steve?
I actually did.
Yeah, fun fact of the day right there. So you add that in, all the chopped cilantro, freshly chopped out of Tops Market.
With the parmesan cheese, freshly chopped in Sal's Kitchen.
Add it around, smoothly mix it. Yep, then there's the pesto. Thoroughly mix that around so a little bit of the cheese melts, coating all the pieces of chicken in the pasta.
It looks good.
As we turn off our burner and bring it over to our bowl here, I'll hold that, and add it in. A little bit small of a bowl, but that's alright, folks. We'll have to do. A little bit too small. That's okay, though. Yep. And there we have it, folks. Spicy pesto chicken pasta.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.